Okay, this is a quick update. There is a lot happening this week, but I wanted you to know about some of it because some of it's really overdue. First of all, in case you don't know, this Friday, April 11th at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, PDT, not PST, we will be having the video premiere of our group art show called Series Under the Same Sky. There are 21 of us. We each, together but separately across the globe, have made these art series, and I'm hosting a gallery page on my website that will open up on April 11th that shows a thumbnail of each of the artists' work, and then you can click on it and then you can view their entire gallery or shop. And then this Friday will be a video in which I will give you like an up-close view of all of this art, including their artist statement, and then all of us artists will be on the chat together. That's why we're doing it as a premiere, so we can all be there together. And so hope to see you there. I'm very excited about it. I love, love, love the work that's coming out of there. And because I got sick and because I changed my series like really last minute, even though the deadline for this art series challenge was the 3rd, today is the, I don't know, 5th, 6th? I don't even know what today is. I am still working on my series, and so it will be finished by the 11th. It'll be finished by probably the 9th, because I need to make sure that I'm in the show. So, but if anybody orders these paintings, they'll still be wet and people will have to wait for them to dry, I guess. Anyway, I just finished this one last night. Check it out. I'm very happy with how it turned out. There might be a couple of little tweaks I want to do, but for the most part, yay. Okay, wow. All right. And now I have paint on my hands. Okay, so the next thing I want to tell you is, okay, the next thing that I want to tell you is thank you very much to the people who have ordered some things from my Fourthwall shop. That is kind of like a shop that you can see here on the channel. And this was an experiment for me because I had a shop in my website, you know, like that's built into my Squarespace platform. But part of this art series challenge included some people needing to investigate which platform, which website software will I be using, and did a huge deep dive, and I made this chart, and I wanted to do like a whole video of it, so I will probably after this show's over, but this is a free download for you, so it will be in the description. But I give you the monthly fee for each thing, what each thing offers, and then fees if you have sold a $150 painting. And so I go over Google Sites, Daily Paintworks, Artwork Archive, Fourthwall, Etsy, Fazo, eBay, Squarespace, and Shopify. And yeah, so you're welcome to download that and have that for free. And so anyway, I wanted to try using Fourthwall because I like how it's sort of built into this platform since I've been doing a lot of YouTube. And I like, yeah, it, my friend Jackie Wolven is the person who tried it out first, and I liked what was going on. I liked how easy it was to use as a purchaser. And so I wound up purchasing something from her, and I haven't opened it yet. I ordered this so long ago and then I got sick. And then I went ahead and I made a mug of my own. So there's a Jackie mug and an Anne mug in here that I'm gonna open here together with you. And the reason why I'm doing it right now is because I'm thrilled to say that I've had some purchases of the mug, and I need to check to make sure it looks okay. So I'm gonna open it right now. I'm opening it. This is a chaotic video. Okay, I'm not gonna cut my face. All right, so let's see how it looks. I have never done an unboxing video, have I? Like, what do you want to watch? Do you want to watch me actually open it? Here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to try to make this quick because I really do have a lot of painting to do, and I'm also working on this video for Friday. I don't try to make things be so dramatic as they are this week. I try to avoid drama. And as a person with ADHD, I've definitely had my share of drama moments, which is why I kind of don't want to do them in my life, but sometimes it just happens. And so I can be kind to myself. All right, well, I like how this was boxed. That really keeps the mug safe. That's nice. All right. Yeah, that's a legitimately cool boxing job. Oh yeah, look, then they really make sure that the merchandise is safe. Oh, this is Jackie's. Okay, yay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have Jackie's mug because look at what it says. You are never wasting paint. If you've never seen Jackie's YouTube channel, check it out. I love her wisdom. I just love listening to her talk. Okay, so boom. And so I was so enamored of her idea. I'm like, I need to make a mug as well. So I did. And I don't have a word of wisdom, but I do have the logo for my book. Or not the logo, but the artwork from it. And so I thought that would be a really good idea because I personally would love to have a slow color project mug. Oh, I hope this worked out since a couple people have ordered it already, including my mom. Thank you, Mom. I hope it's good. Please let it be good. Pretty good. The colors are a little bit dimmer than the book. I'll show you. But yeah, I think it turned out very nice. I guess I do have a little quote. It's the subtitle to the title of the book. Use color to find meaning, focus, and joy. Yeah, like it's kind of hard to read. But I think it does the trick. I'm doing a great job of selling this mug. It's like, it's pretty good. No, but the mug itself is amazing. This is exactly the size mug that I want. The cool thing about Fourthwall is, or, you know, whatever, the printing service that Fourthwall uses, which I think is Printful, is that you can choose the size mug that you want this on. So I think this is like the medium large one. What is this, like the 16-ounce one? Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how it looks compared to the book in terms of the color. All right. I don't remember why, but I did not make the slow color project font bold the way I have it on the cover of the book. And then, yeah, so I don't know, the color's not bad. As you can see, it's just a little darker, and I think that might be on me. Like, I wonder if I should, or maybe it isn't darker, it's just that it's further down the book. I mean, I'm sorry, further down the picture. Am I gonna edit this video or am I gonna print it? Am I gonna post it as is? Anyway. Yeah, so if you want to support the channel, you can buy a mug and then you can drink tea while you paint and think about the fact that you're using color to find meaning, focus, and joy. Or you could buy Jackie's and remind yourself that you are never wasting paint. Or you could get them both, because then you can have one in the dishwasher while you're drinking out of the other one. Okay. Speaking of Jackie, there's another piece of mail that I've been putting off opening because I wanted to open it here. And it's from Jackie. She is doing a slow mail project, which she's very interested in slow practices as well. So what is a slow mail project? You'll definitely have to go to her channel to really fully understand what it's about. But my understanding is basically she is offering like these, she's sending certain people that she knows a monthly goodie bag of a newsletter with other ephemera. So, oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, I adore the fact that she kind of bundled it together with Camp Wilder. That's kind of her family's kind of the name for their home. Okay, so anyway, this thing says ephemera, original art. Oh my goodness. Jackie, how cool are you? Jeez Louise. All right, so let's see what's in this bundle. Newsletter. This is to friends and family. And then what else is in here? A cool postcard, some gold star stickers, which I definitely will use, and just fun little snippets of paintings and marbling, paper marbling. Oh, that's a good reminder. Yeah, do all things with love. Even if you're like a Tigger like me, as opposed to somebody who's like slow and thoughtful, things can still be done with love, just maybe a little bit more like in intense bursts. Oh, Jackie, you made this. Did you make this one too? Okay. We make our own sunshine. Heck yeah, Jackie. I love it. Thank you so much. That is really inspiring, this slow mail idea. What a delight. So I think she's sending these to people, her friends and family, and then some people are sending things back. And maybe if I can get my act together after the show is over, I might give it a try. It's just cool. What a great idea. Woo. Okay. All right. There was one other thing I wanted to talk to you about. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm trying out this Fourthwall website, and I will talk to you some more about this list of shops. But I wanted to talk to you about my conundrum right now, because I still have a shop on my website that is integrated with Squarespace, and it's just selling my Colors of Ballard prints and my Slow Color Project book. I haven't loaded my original paintings on there recently because I'd been selling things in person, but I do have some that I could put on there. But then I also have this Fourthwall website where it could be just as easy to sell them from there. The problem is I can't put them on both, because what if I sell the same painting twice on the same website? You know what I mean? Like, that's going to be a problem. I could definitely sell my book from both places, and I do. But yeah, so that's a conundrum. I don't know how I'm going to deal with that. If you have any opinions, just human to human, feel free to share. I think for now, I am going to go ahead, like for this week, excuse me, still getting over bronchitis. This week, I will go ahead and load anything that I'm selling on the Fourthwall website, not on my art website per se. I think I'll just go ahead and on my art website, change the link to the Fourthwall shop and just see how it goes, you know? And then I guess I'll make my decisions later. So this is kind of like a long-term decision. But I wanted to tell you that also on my Fourthwall shop, I'm trying something new that I've never done before, and that is a digital download of the book that I said that I was going to make for people. That is a workbook PDF of those 3 quizzes that I made last summer, and 3 videos that were, what kind of artist are you? And some people had asked me if I could make a printable version of them. And I said, yes, I would do that. And then over months, it's not like I was working on it every day, but it took me a long time because I couldn't just, for some reason I couldn't just turn it into like a quick little printout thing. I wanted to turn it into like a whole experience where you would have these 3 quizzes, and then there's an artist statement, thought organizer, I guess you could say, and also a glossary of terms, because somebody else had mentioned that it would be helpful if I would include a glossary of all these artist terms that I would put in the quiz, because we don't all know everything, right? So anyway, I think it turned out really good. And so I went ahead and made it into a digital download, and I think that it's $7. I felt like it was appropriate to ask to be compensated for my time, because it did take a while. And Fourthwall also takes a cut of the price. So if you're one of those people who took that quiz last summer and asked for a downloadable version, there you go. And for me, I went ahead and I printed it out and I put it in a binder so that I could use it as a book. And I really liked it like that. I think you could also print it out and then take it to, it's not Kinko's anymore, but like FedEx or whatever, and get it spiral bound. Or like your local print shop, they do the cool little spiral bound thing. And I think it works better in paper form so that you can really write in there, use it as a resource for yourself, and kind of have a relationship with it, because it's a relationship with your practice. So that is the grab bag of things I wanted to share with you today. Oh, like I don't know, 3 of those things should have been separate videos that were like a little bit more polished, but I don't have time. I don't have time to polish it because I need to finish the other paintings and get the video ready for Friday and make sure that I get enough sleep and spend time with my family. So wish me luck, and I will see you in a few days. I'll see you on Friday. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.